In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change controls on Mario Kart Wii. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about all of the controllers that are natively supported by Mario Kart Wii and how you can set them up easily. So first, for you to change your actual controller that you want to use, all that you have to do is go ahead and connect the different controller. So simply insert the extension that you want to use. So for example, a GameCube controller, a nunchuck, or a classic controller into the Wii or the Wii remote, and then that's it. There is no menu to put them in. As soon as you connect the additional controller and you press any button on it, it is going to be detected. And if you go inside of a race and you pause at any point, you can see the default controls. So for example, on the GameCube controller, you accelerate with A, you steer with the joystick on the left, use item with the left bumper, and then brake or drift with the right bumper. And you have the control scheme for all other controllers. So, like I said, you have the option to play using the Wii wheel, the Wii remote and the nunchuck, the Wii Classic controller, or the GameCube controller. All of these are going to be natively supported, and all that you have to do is connect them to your console. Now, alternatively, you might be curious if it is possible for you to individually change the buttons. So for example, would you be able to accelerate with B and brake or drift with A for whatever reason? And if that's the case, then sadly the answer is no. They don't give you any control over the individual binds, and the only option that you have is going to be to change the actual controller that is being used on the game. Changing the actual controls is impossible, so keep that in mind. If you want to change the controller, you just have to go ahead and connect them and press the main button, and then you will be good to go. Alternatively, changing the individual controls is impossible. I hope I was able to help you on how to change controls in Mario Kart Wii. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.